Hey guys, it's me back a video again. I switched camping today. I'm at New Mexico right now, and I am being this place is so fun. You guys need to see it. It's just rocks, everything, like everything I want to. I told my friend to come and hang out to us, and he said he's busy, his family are busy right now. He said he maybe can do it maybe tomorrow maybe. And this is part 3, and this is my favorite place to camp at. Is this pretty like sunset, and I'm just ready to do off-roading, and I'm ready to see you guys at camp. And I will let my friend know I'm at this pretty place at. I just ready to do this off-roading today, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. This is gonna make a fun trail today, and there's maybe rocks, hiking. I know it's the same thing with at Little Maris. Just trying to see we can just go to no one states and see if we can go to off-roading stuff and see. Hey guys, it's me, back again, and we are stopped at lunch, or, sorry, at dinner, and the pretty, skies behind me in the background, and it's just pretty out here. I just like to, live here. New York is New Mexico is so fun. Have fun here and do stuff off-roading today. And it's overland. I don't know what is the name. I will let you guys know in the comments to see if you guys know what place this is at. I just don't. It's a fun trail. And there's one trail is a little hard to do, and I'm gonna try to see I can do it myself. No, I don't have nobody with me. I have nobody like my friend, like my buddies, and I will see I can try to do this myself. And please like and subscribe to Mini Please try to do this, guys. It's fun to do this. Off-roading is fun. Camping and hiking, just everything else is fun. I like to live here. I just want to live and have a house over here. And I just want to live here so much. So I can just have a house somewhere and I can just have fun with this amazing off-roading today. And it's like 54 degrees outside today, maybe. I don't know. I think so. I just don't know. And I will let you guys go and just have your cross and see I can do it myself. And like and subscribe, please. Thank you guys. And share. Hey guys, I'm sitting right close to the trail, and this trail is a little tricky, and I'm trying to see I can do it myself. My first time doing the trail myself, and I'm like nervous right now. I can't do this. Maybe I just don't know. I think I just please, just like this, please, like this video so much. Maybe I can just do this again and you guys can get me like 2.0K likes. And I'm trying to see I can do this myself. I am so scared by this. I don't know I can do it. And everybody's trying to tell me, Lane, come on, you can do it. Do the hard thing yourself. I went, okay, fine. Maybe can do this. Please, let me guys know you guys want me to do this again. Let's try the back up. Okay, let's see I can do this, guys. Okay. Oh man, I can't. Oh man. Oh my goodness, guys. I did it myself. My first time doing it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I got a Beyday on my. You guys maybe see this. I have a Beyday on my my Jeep. I hit it on something, like maybe a rock. I think a rock or something. And thank you so much, guys, liking those the video so much. And please, you guys want to do part 4 in maybe in Oklahoma or Texas. Just let me guys know, or you guys can choose a state for me, and I can do this again. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to Mini Jeep 309, and like and subscribe to Mini Jeep. Thank you guys.